Meteordale's Adventure and Travel's latest challenge is to do every railway service in the UK over many years. Please enjoy watching. So now I'm catching the Glasgow Central to Ayr service. Departs at 10 AM, and next to the Class 380 is the 200 years train. Glasgow Central was opened in 1879 with a major rebuild in 1905. 25 million passengers per year use Glasgow Central, and it is the busiest station in Scotland and the 13th in the UK. It's also the third busiest outside London. It is also the northern terminus for Avanti, and it was awarded 5 stars in 2017. It has 17 platforms with 2 underground. It's called high level and low level. I found the low level very dreary and oppressive, but the high level is a fine and outstanding building. Well worth viewing, and there's also tours that can take you around the station itself.
Paisley, Gilmour Street. Change here for stations to use thankyou in the bus link to Glasgow Airport. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Yeah, I was really impressed with Paisley Gilmour Street Station. It's a fine B-listed Tudor Gothic building. It has very old buildings along the platform, and there's a cafe in the middle. It's really nice. So it was opened in 1840 and electrified in 1967 and 1986 when the Ayrshire electrification took place, with 4 platforms run by ScotRail. There's services to Reims Bay, Gorrock, Largs, Ardrossan Harbour, Ayr and Stranraer. The service to Stranraer is just one a day, but there's a frequent service to Ayr. You can also connect here from many buses and to the airport. So there's a major transport interchange. Yeah, it's well worth a look anyway, it's a nice station.
It's the light coming through.
Kilwinning station opened in 1840 and it's on the Ayrshire line, about 26 miles southwest of Glasgow. There's a frequent service to Glasgow and to Ayr with branches to Ardossan Harbour and Largs. From Ardossan Harbour you have ferries connected to the Isle of Arran. You can also catch a bus service down to Cairnryan for services to Northern Ireland. The station is on a triangular junction with 4 platforms.
Troon. Change here for services to Kilmarnock. Prestwick International Airport. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Prestwick International Airport Station opened in 1994. It is 37 miles from Glasgow on the Ayrshire coastline. Several trains per hour stop at the station. The airport is struggling in recent years, being formerly owned privately and then sold to the Scottish Government. Since then it's been up for resale again, so not so many flights take place.
This is Prestwick International Airport. This train is for Ayr. We are now approaching Newton-on-Ayr. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train. Ayr. Please mind the gap when alighting from this train.
Ayr Station opened in 1866. It has 2 bay platforms and 2 food platforms. Regular services to Glasgow Central and Kilmarnock and down to Stranraer. You may notice around the station there are many derelict buildings and open ground. This is due to the fire that occurred at the hotel by arsonist. It's caused severe disruption to rail services for some time recently. The fire was in 2023.
Prestwick Town, Prestwick International Airport, Troon, Irvine, Kilwinning, Johnston.
So it's on a Class 380 electric multiple
Glasgow
unit.
Central. The next
3
stop is
cars. I'm currently going back from Ayr to Glasgow Central, so as soon as I get there, there's about a 5-minute connection, and I will catch that train to Paisley Canal and back.